Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all my favorite hygiene products. If you're wanting to change up your hygiene routine and you don't know where to start, I feel like I have some great products. These are my go-to, my everyday. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Kera Nichelle. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
So the first product that I'm going to be showing you guys today is this Tea Tree Therapy, and it's just 100% pure Australian tea tree oil. And this is what it looks like. I've been using this probably for, I want to say, since like 2018. I think my sister put me on. At the time I had very textured skin. I will say I use this as part of my skincare regimen. After I get done washing my face, I go in and apply this before I apply my moisturizer. I just put it anywhere to where I feel like I have textured skin, or if I have a breakout somewhere. And I will say, y'all, this works really well. It's super affordable. I actually got this from Spourts is where I get it from. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna make sure I put it down in the description box. Every product that I talk about, I'm just gonna put down in the description box. And then I'll put where you can get it from. While we're talking about skincare and face, another product that I've been using that I just feel like is super slept on and I've been using for years is Sea Breeze. So it doesn't matter if I change up like my facial cleanser or anything like that, I always use this product. I just put it on a cotton ball and I wipe my face clean after I've done my skincare regimen. So after I've washed my face, I do apply this before I put the tea tree oil on. But I feel like this is great to have in your skincare routine. It does allow you to get all the dirt off your face, your skin, and you can actually see it on your cotton ball. I know you can get it from Walmart, you can get it from Publix. I'm not sure if Target carries it. I'm unsure because it's like Sea Breeze, everybody doesn't carry it for some reason. And going with that, you want to make sure that when you're doing your skincare, you have a very good moisturizer. One of my favorites that I've been using for years, I have the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. And this is a moisturizer. I use it on my face. This is the last thing I use in my skincare routine. I get this from Ulta. Sephora sells it as well. It comes in this form, or you can actually get it like in a bottle. I will say, y'all, moisturizing your face is extremely important. Moisturizing will reduce aging. It'll also, you know, take care of dryness in your skin. One thing I love about this product is it's not extremely oily. So even if you apply a bunch to your face won't look really greasy or anything like that. So this is another good product. And another, like, some more benefits of using a moisturizer: it helps fight acne, protection from the sun, soothes sensitive skin, and then also I've done my research and it can reduce fine lines and aging. I actually got this in the clearance section at Ulta, and this is the Yes to Watermelon Light Hydration. It's a jelly mask. It's for all skin types. And yes to making them jelly with refreshing watermelon to quench, soften, and lightly hydrate skin. So this is what this looks like. And when I say this is one of my favorites, so over the summer I use this a lot. I want to say I would put it on my face. It would in the midst of me doing my skincare routine. So this is a mask, so you would apply it how you would apply a mask. You do rinse this off, but when I tell you, it really hydrates your skin. I feel like it gave me a glow, and I don't know, I just really love it. I feel like this would be good especially for the winter months as well, just if you have really dry skin, or if you just want to glow. Even though you apply this to your face and wash it off, it does have a long lasting effect. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, I got it from Ulta in the clearance section. Not sure where else or who else carries it. I think this is the last skincare product I have, but I have the, I think I'm pronouncing this right. This is the Koji San Skin Lightening Soap. Classic for a lighter and even skin tone. This is what it looks like, or the box that it comes in. My sister put me onto this soap last year as part of my Christmas gift. I had a bag full of a whole bunch of hygiene products, and this was in there, and I used this and I fell in love with this. So this product can be very, very drying to your skin. So I would not use it twice a day or use it too often. I actually use this once a day. So when I first got it, I used to use it in the morning and at night, and I noticed like my skin was kind of dull, wasn't as bright as usual, wasn't as glowy as usual, and that's because I was drying my skin out. So I only use this product at night. Actually go in with this, and then I use my Sea Breeze, and then I use my moisturizer. My sister, the soap that she got me for Christmas, I already went through. So that was Christmas last year. I already went through. So when it was time for me to replace, I actually ordered this off of Amazon. So the next product that I'm going to be showing y'all is a toothpaste. If you watched my like last two recent hygiene vlogs, or 2 or 3 hygiene vlogs, then you did see where I purchased this product. This is the Moon Stain Remover, and it's fluoride free, and it's whitening gel toothpaste. This is what it looks like. I've been using this for over a month now. I use this at night only when I brush my teeth. So in the morning, this is my go-to toothpaste. I usually just use this as my everyday, and this is just the Crest 3D Radiant Mint toothpaste. So I use this in the morning, and then I use this at night. The only reason why I chose not to use this in the morning and at night, because I feel like, I don't know the word I'm looking for, it wouldn't be lather, but it just, I don't know, it doesn't, I don't know the appropriate word I should use, but I'm just gonna say it doesn't lather up in my mouth like my regular toothpaste does. Then I don't feel like it's as minty as I would want my toothpaste to be. So I choose to use this at night. I feel like I am seeing results, and once I'm done using this, I am gonna purchase some more. Next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is my favorite razors when I'm wanting to shave my legs and I just want a very clean shave where I can just remove as much hair as possible. I use the Soleil Glide razors. As you can see, it's open because I've already used one. The pack comes with 2 in. These razors, it comes with like a moisture bar on the top and the bottom. So basically when you shave your leg, you do not need any shaving cream, shaving oil, anything. And I promise y'all, it really does get you a very clean shave. Like my legs just feel great after I shave with this. Now as you start to use it, the moisture bars do kind of wear off, and that's how you'll know when it's time to just throw it away and use your other one. I would recommend storing this not really where water would be hitting it, because that would make these moisture bars just go down sooner. But I will say I love these razors. I get them. Sometimes they're a hard find. The last time I was in Target, I had to really dig to find them. Sometimes they're out of them, but y'all, I'm telling y'all, if you want a very clean shave, then I would definitely get these. Next, that brings me to Tree Hut Coconut Lime Moisturizing Shave Oil, and I purchased this from Ulta. And when I say, if you put this on your leg and then you shave, y'all, it just makes your leg feel like it's so moisturizing. You feel really clean, really like you get a clean shave. They have this in other scents as well, and then this says it soothes skins and helps protect against cuts. So you can choose to use these 2 products together. After I'm done doing my skincare routine, I always want to go in with a good chapstick or something on my lip, just because overnight I want my lips to be moisturized. So this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and my sister actually put me onto this as well. She bought this from me. I want to say she got it from either like TJMAXX or Ross. It came with a pack of like 4 and I'm down to like my last one. I actually keep this in my nightstand by my bed, but after I'm done with my skincare routine at night, I just go ahead and apply this to my lips just because I don't want something too greasy, you know, when I'm getting ready to go to sleep, or something that's going to get all over my pillowcase. Next, we're going to talk about body washes. So I'm just going to show y'all my favorite body washes. I'm gonna go ahead and narrow them down, number them down, but my number one favorite body wash is the Olay body wash, and this is actually in the scent strawberry and mint. I absolutely love this body wash. I would say this is my favorite. By far, this is the number one body wash that I love to use. I love how the Olay body washes have different scents, so I love very fruity scents. This is strawberry. I have the watermelon. I love how they smell, but not only do they smell great, they also have a good lather, and they actually are very moisturizing to your skin. So this is my favorite body wash by far. Then second, the Raw Sugar Moisture Loving Body Wash, and this is in the scent Watermelon Plus Fresh Mint. This is my second favorite body wash. I love how it smells, how it makes me feel refreshed. My third favorite would have to be the Native body wash. Y'all, I love these body washes. I love how Native comes up with different seasonal body washes, and the Sugar Cookie is my favorite seasonal one by far. It comes out around the holidays, around Thanksgiving time, so it is out now in Target, y'all. You can get these from Target. All of the body washes that I showed y'all you can get from Target. Walmart carries the Olay. I'm not sure about the Raw Sugar. I think the Raw Sugar body wash and the Native ones you have to get from Target, but they are my favorite by far. I'm one of those people, I usually use body wash and soap, so I'll go in with my Dove for sensitive skin, and I'll use this first, and then I'll use this. So my favorite lotion is the Hempz body lotion. You can get this from Ulta. In Ulta, it's $25. You can get this from TJMAXX for half the price, but they don't have all of the different scents. Hempz does come out with seasonal scents sometimes, and this is a seasonal scent. This is the pumpkin spice and vanilla chai. This scent has grown on me. It's really not one of my favorites. I did say with this scent, I just wanted to get it because it's a fall scent and I wanted to try it. But my favorite scent would have to be the birthday cake one. That one was my favorite by far. If you've been watching my hygiene videos, then you know this is like on my top list. You know this is like my favorite scrub. This is the Tree Hut scrub, and this is just in the scent coffee. But right now, if I was to take you in my bathroom, you'll see like I have 3 of these because I keep them on deck. I have some holiday ones, some different holiday fragrances or holiday scrubs that they have that are seasonal. That's one thing I love, is that Tree Hut switches up their scents. They don't just have the same thing. They have different ones, seasonal ones. If you go to Ulta, Ulta tends to have all of the seasonal ones you can think of. Target as well, but Ulta usually has the variety. My favorite scent so far, I like the pumpkin latte, and then I like the watermelon. Those are my 2 favorite scrubs. Last but not least, the last product that I'm going to be showing y'all is my feminine wash. The feminine wash that I've been using now is the Honey Pot, and I have the sensitive feminine wash. Not even gonna lie, I just started using this a few weeks ago. I really like this product. I use this or the Summer's Eve. I will say by far, I feel like I like this one just a little better. We're gonna see. I'm gonna keep trying it out. A feminine wash is very good to use. If you're not gonna, if you know, some people just use water down there, which is good as well. But you know, if you use a feminine wash, make sure you use something that is approved to be washed down there. I don't know if you guys know, but you really shouldn't be using just your body wash or soaps down there. It can irritate. You can get BV. You know, it can just throw off your pH balance. Hey, editing Kara here. So I forgot to show y'all Another product that I love is this exfoliating sponge, and I use it on my face twice a week. And I got this from TJMAXX. It really smooths out your skin and all of that. But y'all, I had to show y'all that because this is a game changer and this is one of my faves. So yeah, y'all, that is going to wrap up this video. Those are my favorite products. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Are there any products that I use that you use? Are there any products that I use that you want to start using? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you love my hygiene related videos, I have a hygiene playlist, so I'm going to make sure to link that in the description box below, y'all. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget to follow me on my social medias, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I would like to get to know